so this is what we're looking at. This is all the wiring and stuff. So the first thing you guys are gonna do, just like with the headlight module, you're gonna take off this screw right here. You're gonna take off the screw that's underneath here, and then you're gonna take off the screw that's over here. Okay. After you take off the screws, you want to take off this cover right here. You know, it's not supposed to fly down like that, but anyway. If you do not have anything hooked up underneath your steering wheel, this is what it's going to look like, okay? It's going to look like this if you have nothing hooked up to your underneath your steering wheel, all right? So what you want to do, you want to unplug this right here. All right. After you unplug that part, you're going to take this part of the wiring to the window closure module. There. And you're going to take the other end and plug it back into your steering wheel. You want to take this part off right here and take this part off. All right. So now you want to unplug this plug right here. Okay. After you plug these two together, you're going to take the other end and plug it right back into that port right there. Okay. That's all you're going to do. Now the wires aren't going to be sitting all like this. I'm going to have this underneath here. Don't worry about that. That's completely something different. But this is all you're going to do. Now, if you have power folding mirrors, this part right here will plug into this part right here. All right. This is only if you have power folding mirrors. You want to take the window closure module, plug it into the regular port from the car, plug into the power folding mirror module, and then you go plug that one right back into there. Now as for up here, the headlight module, the power folding mirror module, and the window closure module are all plugged up together. Now, this is a lot of wiring, okay? But everything will work together. Now, when you clean everything up, it's not gonna look like there's any wires, just like I said. Don't mind this, I just don't have my thing underneath here. I stopped doing that a while ago. But yeah, this is all you need to do. Even comes with like some type of instructions. They're not really that good because instructions only tell you about this part right here, but it doesn't tell you about the part that you have to do for underneath the steering wheel. All right, so I hope that helps, guys. It's pretty nice if you get to roll your windows up, whatever, you know. This one I wouldn't consider much of a safety feature, but it helps if, you know, say you forget to roll your windows up, you lock your car, you're not even thinking about it and your windows gonna roll by yourself. You don't even have to look at it to make sure to do it. It just does it for you. So I guess you could consider it a safety feature, safety, convenience, and pretty cool. We'll put all the links down in the description below for all three. The window, the headlight, and the power folding mirror. I will be making a power folding mirror video, posting it soon when we actually have the product to sell. So till next time, guys,